wala po akong galit sa ating Vice President. Wala po akong personal na galit sa kanya. In fact, just to let you know and to let our people know that when she ran for Vice President, I supported her. Hindi lamang ako nung support sa kanya, lahat ng aming mga churches supported the Vice President. Bakit? Naniniwala po kami sa kanyang ginagawa. So, balit dumating ang pagkakataong ito na dapat natin pag-usapan ito, and ito lang po ang gusto kong sabihin sa lahat. We are here committed to the issues at hand, not to any kind of personal conflict. Under Section 17 of the Rules of Procedure in impeachment proceedings, the rule of court apply as supplementary to these proceedings. Jurisprudence and parliamentary practice dictate that we must examine at tinatawag po nating recital of facts to determine the pieces of evidence in support of this complaint under Section 5 beyond confidential na tinatawag natin.